2 days after opening the Manila Bay White Sands, Manila Mayor Isko Moreno ordered the temporary closure of the area. Moreno cited the current threat of COVID-19 for the temporary ban. During the White Sand Project launch, people flocked to Manila Bay. It became a hot topic on social media. Onlookers disregarded COVID-19 safety protocols like social distancing. Because of it, the Ermita Police Station commander was relieved from his post.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.